Okay, for today's assignment, you're going to be looking at a website and it shows how different families live in different parts of the world. So before we go to that, just know you're going to be looking for where the family is from, de donde es la familia, where they live, or like what type of home, if they live in a house or apartment, donde viven, and then you're going to need to describe their home from like the size, the color, the types of rooms in there, como es la casa. Okay, and then you're also going to have one more question. ¿Te gusta la casa and por qué? So let's go to the website really quick. And these are families in the Americas, and the dollar amount on here is the amount of money they make per month. So we could go to any family here. Let's see here. I'm going to go to this family from Colombia. And so I need to know, okay, first where they're from, Colombia. Second, what does their house look like? Is it big or small? And what you do is you go to visit this family, and then you can see a lot more pictures. Sometimes it's kind of hard to describe the house to get a real good picture of it. But there's also a description of the house at the top here. It says they have a one-bedroom house, and it looks like it's made out of tin. We don't know how to say tin in Spanish, so we're not going to worry about that. It looks like there's a picture of the bathroom, and it looks like it may not be in the house. So we're going to keep looking. Bathroom, toilet, and so I'm going to go back. I can look through all these pictures. They've got a kitchen, and then we're going to come back to our assignment and go ahead and fill that out. So we're going to say La familia es de Colombia, and they live in a house. La familia, so we can use these sentence frames. Vive en una casa. ¿Cómo es la casa? La casa. I'm going to do the size. Es pequeña. And let's see here. The color, it was tin. It was gray. Y gris. Let's see here. I'm going to say es or tiene or I. La casa tiene un dormitorio. It looked like there was a kitchen, una cocina, y un baño. Even though the bathroom was maybe outside of the main house, they did have a bathroom. Okay. I'm also going to add the es desordenado. Desordenada. Okay, ¿te gusta la casa? ¿Por qué? No me gusta la casa porque es desordenada y pequeña. Okay, and then you'll go and choose two more families to do that for.